Hello, you're listening to Boss Lady Financials, a podcast where we discuss money matters important to the solo entrepreneur. I'm your host, Dawn Mabry Chestnut. Please know that all information shared in this podcast is for general education purposes only and not intended to be personal financial advice. Hello. This month, we are focusing on the importance of reviewing your cash flow for both as an individual and for your business. So each week this month, we're going to focus on a different cash flow topics. We're going to focus on expenses, tax obligations, and automatic savings and payments. So if you need to get a handle on your tax obligations and to review your tax payment plan, then you're in the right place. Keep listening. So for this tax obligation cash flow video, we're going to talk about three specific things. Number one, your tax withholding and your estimated quarterly tax payments. Number two, your taxable investments. And number three, property tax. So back to tax withholding and estimated quarterly taxes. If you are an employee, you can review your state and federal tax withholding. And if you're a self-employed individual, you can review your state and federal tax estimated quarterly payments that you make. If at the end of the year, you tend to owe a significant amount of taxes, or alternatively, if you receive a very large refund at the end of the year, you want to revisit these two things: your withholding if you're an employee, your estimated tax payments if you're self-employed. You want to revisit those things and make sure you make adjustments so that the estimates and the withholdings match what you would like to have at the end of the year, whether it's a big refund or not a big refund. But if you want to change either of those things, that's what you review and make adjustments according to that information. Number two, we're going to talk about taxable investments. So if you have taxable investments, you want to make sure you monitor your interest, your dividends, and your realized gains and losses, and ensure that you're paying the appropriate estimates. So all investments in retirement accounts are not treated the same. They're not taxed the same. So you want to make sure that you have the most tax appropriate assets in your taxable investment account, in your tax deferred investment account, and your tax-free investment and or retirement accounts. And our last item we're going to cover today is property taxes. If your home or your business property taxes are not paid through escrow, or you owe other types of tax, then you want to make sure that you have a plan and that you save and that you timely pay those tax bills. Thank you for listening. I hope you found this information useful. Please remember to follow us so that you don't miss future episodes. For more information, visit my website at www.mabryconsulting.com. Until next time, this is Dawn Mabry Chestnut signing off.